Lily, it's too late now. Please wake up, my sleepy head. Lily, wake up! The sun is already in your room. Oh, your bed is broken. Get up now. We'll get new things for your room today.
Mom, thank you. I am getting ready. Pinky promise.
I am getting breakfast ready for you. I'm going to go now, sweetie.
Okay, Mommy. Oh no! My wardrobe is broken and mice ate my clothes. I need clothes and wardrobe too, Mommy.
Aww.
Mom, I left my wardrobe open and the mice have eaten my clothes.
It's your mistake, Lily. Eat breakfast first, we'll fix it later.
Okay, Mommy. This juice is so yummy.
Thank you. Lily, we need to buy things for your room.
Should we make a list?
Sure, please write.
I need chairs, bed, wardrobe, and, clothes.
Okay, Lily, let's go shopping now.
Wow, Mom, the furniture is so beautiful. I want to buy it all.
Lily, where you will place this?
Okay, Mom. Mom, look at that shop. It has everything we need. I can't wait to see them all up close. Wow, this is a very big shop. Let's get inside, Mom.
Lily, pick your favorite bed. There are so many choices.
Mom, I love this one. It's so comfy. Can I have it? Viewers, comment which bed I should choose. Should I buy Hello Kitty, Kuromi, or Demon Hunter's bed? Oh, this one feels cool and powerful.
Wow, you look like a tiny queen already.
Mom, let's check this Hello Kitty bed first. This one is so soft and cute. I feel like a princess.
Now please check the Kuromi-inspired bed too, Lily.
This one feels cool and powerful, but I choose the cute princess bed. Let's buy this bed, Mom.
Okay, Lily, this bed is chosen now.
Which bed would you like today?
The Hello Kitty one. It's perfect.
Okay, ma'am. Your order is confirmed. We will deliver it in 1 day.
Let's go to other shops, Lily. We need to buy a lot of things. Lily, please check your list and tell what other thing you need to buy.
Okay, we need to buy a mirror.
Okay, let's go to the mirror shop now.
Mom, look, a Hello Kitty mirror. I want this one.
Of course, my little princess. Before deciding, please check other mirrors as well.
I look like a rock star princess in this mirror.
Which mirror do you like, Lily?
I think I will buy the cute mirror.
Should we buy the Hello Kitty mirror or the Kuromi mirror?
Mom, let's finalize this mirror. I love how cute it is.
Okay. How much does this mirror cost?
Only $50, ma'am.
Thank you. Please take the payment from this card.
Thank you. Your order is confirmed.
Lily, we have bought the bed, the mirror. What other item we need to buy?
My wardrobe is also broken. I need to buy that too.
Okay, let's go to the wardrobe shop now.
Mom, this wardrobe looks so cute and it matches my room.
Yes, it's perfect for your new Hello Kitty theme. Let's order this as well.
Yay, thank you. Excuse me. Can I get a discount, please?
She's asking nicely. Can you help her?
Of course, I can offer 20% discount.
Please, take the payment from the card.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lily, everything is purchased. Now let's go home.
Mom, when will my new Hello Kitty bed and wardrobe arrive?
They should be here very soon, sweetie.
Mom, someone is at the door. Maybe the delivery has arrived.
Go and check, sweetie.
Mom, it's here. My Hello Kitty furniture is here.
Looks like someone's dream room has arrived. Let's get inside your room, Lily. They will now install the furniture.
Mom, Mom, it's becoming my Hello Kitty world.
Congratulations, Lily, for your new room.
Welcome to my new Hello Kitty room. Do you like it? Tell me in the comments what you love the most.